So I'm just coming on here to let you know what this video is going to be about. The title is self-explanatory, but it is going to definitely be behind the scenes. It's going to be pretty much all the cut scenes, all the things that didn't either make it to the video or that did make it to the video but looks slightly different in the video. But all of this is for the upcoming lookbook that I will be uploading pretty soon. So if you are down for that, you want to see how all of these random clips come together, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you like any of the clips or had a good time watching them. And yeah, this won't be too long, but like I said, it's just cutscenes, behind the scenes, bloopers. My brother is the one that's recording everything. So yeah, there it is. But here we're going to go ahead and get to the video. So me and my brother are going to a nice spot. We're looking for a nice spot to go ahead and get some good shots in. Recording a lookbook for me today. Yesterday we got a lot of footage for him yesterday. It's good stuff, good stuff. Would you say it was good stuff?
Great stuff.
Great stuff. Great stuff. So right now we are actually on our way to a park, and
it's a
we're
cool
gonna be
park.
Yeah. So the outfit that I have on right now is what will be featured in the video. We're trying some new things, new ideas.
New type of videos. Yeah,
new type of videos for him and for me. New videos for me, period.
Team Square. Marissa and Maurice.
Our mom is in front of us. She's on our way too. She's the one that critiques and makes sure we get it right, make sure we get some good shots. She has some really good ideas to contribute yesterday too. So it's exciting to have her come out again. Another day, 2 days in a row.
Right.
So yeah, but it's our little team of people. We got some new gadgets and gear that we're testing out, and so far everything's turned out pretty well. Right now the exposure probably sucks, but that's because I literally pulled this camera out and started recording while in the car, while in a moving vehicle, which is not right. Please don't do that, guys. But I just pulled it out and hit the record button regardless of what the settings were set to, so sorry. Oh, on the side. Come on, Manzi.
Y'all want to get the water?
Over there is where we'll be doing. Oh yeah, you're right. Over there is where we'll be recording. It's a videographer. It's fine. It's fine. Whatever you say goes. You're the one that has the camera.
Before you start moving, just put your hand right there. So put your left hand. No, wait, don't move yet. Don't move. Just show your hand so you can put it in the right spot. Alright, you don't have to look. You just gotta. Alright, now. This movie too fast. That was perfect. You didn't do that. Well, I'm gonna be on the right side of you to move back.
Right, so that's what I'm saying.
So,
like if you on this side,
yeah.
Like what? Okay.
We'll probably do that. that part on the other side.
Oh yeah, we can. Okay, it's perfect.
Knowing there's more in life than I
We got some good shots, some good pictures, some good footage. It's a nice little photographer right here and videographer.
Like they always say, within Rome, that's the Romans.
And the Romans do well. I don't think they add that part on there, but I'm gonna add it.
Well, we do.
Well, yeah, sorry for the shaky film, but we heading on back to the house. That was the end.
Deuces.
See ya.